The next time you're at Dollar Tree, make sure to head down the party supply section. They have a huge variety selection and rainbow of colors when it comes to their entertaining pieces. You're gonna wanna grab some of these plastic bowls. Let me show you why. Hi everyone and welcome. My name is Shannon from TheDailyDIYer.com and I am so glad to have you here today so we can hack these Dollar Tree bowls together. Let's not waste any more time. Let's get right into these awesome ideas. All right, so right off the bat, I love to start with a quick, easy idea, one that is so simple that anybody can do. And the first one, of course, you're going to need one of your bowls from Dollar Tree. I really like this one. It's kind of got a glass look to it, even though it's plastic. We're gonna use it for a potpourri bowl. So this idea is an everyday idea. I wanna show you this one first, and then I'll show you a different variation you can use for Valentine's Day. All right, so of course I have my bowl, and then I also have a pack of, this one smells like lavender. There's different options at Dollar Tree for potpourri. We're just gonna dump this right into the bowl. You don't want this, so take that out. And then the secret here is to arrange it. So once you see there's some fun extra little things in here, the little willow ball, you want this little flower on top to make it look nice. Just give it a little bit more style, and this is ready to go. Now let's do the Valentine's Day version. So for this one, I grabbed a pink bowl from Dollar Tree, and I also grabbed some of these glitter hearts. So we're gonna bring this bowl back around, dump it into the pink bowl. Again, we're gonna arrange the cute little things in here. And then we're gonna use the red hearts as accents. So I'm not gonna use all of them. I'm just gonna take the sticks off of these, and we're gonna poke some of those cute little hearts down into the potpourri. And we just turned it from everyday into Valentine's Day. I never miss a good opportunity to celebrate, and this one is a big one. No, I'm not 10 years old, but I am celebrating a 10-year anniversary of being on YouTube, or I guess 10-year birthday for TheDailyDIYer. So on January 25th, 2014, a whole 10 years ago, I finally took that leap of faith, hit the button, and published my YouTube channel. Now looking back 10 years ago, I absolutely had no idea that I would be here still 10 years later, and I absolutely would not be without all of your support. And I have to thank every single one of you, all 525,000 of you, which is just crazy to me too. So we have grown immensely in those 10 years. And this channel has changed, evolved, and grown over those last 10 years. And I'm not done yet. I actually have some really exciting things coming for you later on in this year. So if you haven't subscribed, join the DIY family. I would love to have you stick around as I am going to continue bringing you brand new videos here every single week. We may be changing things around just a little bit, but that's just part of the change and growth of the Daily DIYer channel. And if I never had done any kind of changing, I definitely don't think I would have made it 10 years in. But nonetheless, I just want to thank everyone so much. I wish I could share a cupcake with you, but I do have another project with you where you can take your cupcakes to the next level. Let me show you how. So this next idea is just as simple, just as easy. Anybody can do this too. You're just gonna need a couple more supplies. So again, we're gonna use that kind of fluted, rippled bowl from Dollar Tree. You're also gonna need a larger bowl and also a tray. So 3 Dollar Tree items, and then you're also gonna need some adhesive, and I would suggest using some E6000. So what we're gonna do here is we are going to make a little cupcake stand, and it's just as easy as taking your smaller bowl, flipping it upside down. This is going to be the bottom of it, and then you're gonna use your tray on top of that, right side up. And this bowl, the bigger one, is going to go right on top, and that is going to be the little cover for your cupcake stand. Now we're also gonna add a knob on top of this bowl to kind of create a handle. I've seen different ways to do this, but I had some of these candle cups on hand, so I'm gonna paint one of these and glue it onto the top so it's a little bit more substantial, something you can pick up and grab and actually make useful. So let's put this together. So this is a super fun little addition to any kind of dessert tray. Use some sprinkles that are fun and put those down as the base. They kind of make for a cute little addition to your tray, make it a little bit more fun. And we're just gonna add all of our treats and goodies on here. So I even found these super cute little miniature donuts. All of this was from Walmart of all places, so affordable too. But I also wanted to ask you all a question. Being that I have been on YouTube for 10 years now, I would love to know how long you have been around for the Daily DIYer channel. Let me know down in the comments below. I'm gonna start by putting a picture up on your screen. This is the inspiration picture. Definitely not a cheap decorative piece, but we're gonna make it a lot cheaper using Dollar Tree items and things that we already have, starting with this lantern. So these lanterns are only $5 at the Dollar Tree. I probably should do a black one, which will match the inspiration picture a lot better, but I can't stress enough to just use what you have. And since this is kind of a Valentine's Day themed video, I thought I'm gonna use what I have, which is a red lantern. It didn't start out red, but I've already spray painted it, used it for Christmas time, and this is why I love using red, because it doesn't just work for Christmas, it works for Valentine's Day, it works for 4th of July even, and even some summertime themed things. So we're gonna use the red lantern that I have. I just spray painted it with some red spray paint, put a bow on top, and we are going to follow what that inspiration piece kind of looks like. It's got some greenery in the bottom, it's got a little tray on top, and then the Dollar Tree item that is going to be the dome on top are this pack of 2 clear bowls from Dollar Tree. So let's put this together and see what it looks like. Next, we're gonna turn these 2 bowls into a bubblegum machine. You're also gonna need a terracotta flower pot. This one says it is 6.3 inches big. You're also gonna need some fillers, some fun, cute stuff to put in your bubblegum machine. And then I'm gonna use a heart for the front for the little change thing that you twist and turn. So I'm gonna put 5 cents on here. And then you're also gonna need a little topper for your bubblegum machine. Let's make it. So the plan here was to do 2 tones, red and pink, just like my sweater. And I know I'm gonna get so many questions about my sweater, so I will link that down below for you, along with all the other supplies you'll see me using to create these projects in today's video. So check there if you're questioning anything. However, this didn't quite go as I had planned. You can see the red tone just kind of clashed with the pink of the bowl, so no problem here. We can remedy this. It's just paint. All we're gonna do is pick a different color paint and go with that instead. So instead of doing red and pink, I decided to just go with all pink. And the cool thing too is Dollar Tree has different colors of these bowls. You can do different color combinations depending on the colors that you're going for. Just make sure whatever color you paint the bottom, also paint that little knob that we're gonna use for the top. So to put this all together, of course, you're going to want that terracotta pot flipped upside down on the bottom, and then you're going to use some E6000 to piece this all together. And don't forget to add those goodies to the inside to make this extra special. Up next, I found these cute pink tiered bowls, and I thought, this would be perfect for a trifle, but I don't have a lot of time and I don't want to spend a lot of money, so we're gonna keep this simple. We're gonna do a strawberry shortcake layered dessert trifle. All right, so what I have here is some pound cake, which I'm gonna kind of cube up, chop up, put that into the dish first. I cut up some strawberries, put some sugar on them, and let them sit all day in the refrigerator so it made some juices. That's gonna be the second layer, and then on top of that, I'm gonna add some whipped cream, and I'm gonna try this extra creamy. I've never tried this before, and I thought it might make some like cute little peaks on the top to make it look a little fancy. We'll see. So I definitely think the extra creamy helped kind of keep the look and shape of the whipped cream a little better, which I love. I'm no pastry chef, but that looks delicious to me. I am definitely gonna enjoy that. And there's one more thing I wanted to show you that I found at Dollar Tree in this section, like the party wear section. They are stemless glasses, so little mini wine glasses. I thought these were so cute. And another idea for you if you wanted to do this just in individual little servings. So you put the pound cake and then the strawberries and the whipped cream on top, and you get 6 of them for only $1.25. So I thought it'd be a really great deal, and it would be super cute and delicious. If you hung on to the very end, thank you so much. If you could leave me your favorite heart emoji down in the comments below, I will send a heart back to you. It was so fun last week making the comment section like a whole colorful sea of hearts, so I would love to see that again this week. And if you haven't yet, please hit that thumbs up button, subscribe if you are new, as I bring you new DIY videos just like this one every single week. And I'm sure you're looking for more inspiration. I'll have 2 videos popping up on your screen. Go ahead, pick which one is your favorite. Head on over, and I will see you there. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Have a very creative day.